In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a beginner's guide to how to create your first Facebook advertisement. So whether you're doing drop shipping or any other business model that requires Facebook ads, this video is for you. So let's get right into this. So first you'll need to set up your Facebook Business Manager account. So before you actually create an ad, you do need a Facebook Manager account or Facebook Business Manager account. Go to business.facebook.com. Then you want to create an account and log in with your Facebook profile. Enter your business name, email, and details to complete the step. Then you'll need to access Facebook Ads Manager. So in Business Manager, go to Ads Manager or visit adsmanager.facebook.com. Then you want to click the green Create button to start a new campaign. Then you want to choose your campaign objective. So Facebook will ask, what's your campaign objective? So based on what you're trying to do, whether it's traffic, sending people to your website, engagement, increasing likes, followers, shares, stuff like that, collecting email addresses via leads, or sales, so basically encouraging people to purchase stuff on your website. So if you're a beginner, start with traffic or engagement to actually test ads with a smaller budget. So traffic and engagement is the cheapest campaign to create. If you're just starting with a smaller budget, I suggest that. Then you want to define your audience. So this is going to be location, that's where they are located. You'd only do this depending on, like, let's say you're selling an item that's like $10. You couldn't sell it in the Philippines or another third world country since they don't have the money to actually purchase that. So I definitely recommend, if you're selling like a US product, probably pick US, UK, things like that with a higher currency. Then you want to pick your age and gender. So first, determine your target audience. So let's say I'm selling a toy ball. I'd want to sell it to someone between the ages of like probably 10 and like 14 or something. So that would be the age range. However, I believe you can only target like 18 plus since Facebook is probably for 18 plus. Do not quote me on that. So I definitely recommend, depending on what your product is, to select the demographics that you're trying to target. Then you'll do interests and behaviors. So basically Facebook figures out and determines what people like based on what they watch. So if you were to pick beauty, you'll probably be targeting a lot of women that watch beauty content. So that is how Facebook determines that. Then you want to use custom or lookalike audience. So you can upload an email list for a custom audience or let Facebook find similar people. So lookalike audience. Then you want to set up a budget or schedule. So daily budget, start with whatever amount is enough for you. So if you're making a lot of money, you could probably go on the higher range. But if you're a beginner, definitely start off with like $5 to $10 a day, because if your ad does not have a good click-through rate, is it engaging enough? You do not want to waste all that money. All that will just go straight down the drain. So I definitely recommend creating several different video campaigns and stuff like that, uploading that, and starting that with $5 to $10 a day. So then set a total amount for the entire campaign. So let's say I have 5 campaigns running. Let's say I only want to spend $500 max. That's the only amount of money I'm willing to lose. Then I'd put a $100 cap on each of those. Then you want to schedule. So choose to run your ads either continuously or set a start and end date. So let's say I only want to target people in the morning since, well, they just slept and they probably are in a better mood or whatever. Then you can target specific dates and times. Then you want to design your ad. There's single image, there's carousel, video ad, and a slideshow. I'd say video ad is probably the most compelling, encouraging viewers to actually purchase your product. That's probably most likely the best route to go if you're trying to get sales. Then you want to write a compelling headline or caption. So make sure to keep it short, clear, and engaging, like 50% off today, get yours now, or something like that. And then add a call to action. So shop, learn more, or sign up. Those are all some call to actions you can use depending on what you're trying to achieve by doing the campaign. Then you want to review and publish it. So double check all your settings. Make sure, I definitely recommend checking the budget. You do not want to accidentally go like add an extra 0 and spend 5K instead of 500. Then you want to click publish and wait for Facebook to review your ad. It usually takes 30 minutes, but sometimes it can take up to a day depending on what your advertisement is. If it's like an image, it's quite shorter, but if it's like a video, it might take a little longer. Then you want to track and optimize your ad performance. So go to Ads Manager, click reach, and conversions. So these are all important metrics that you want to be constantly reviewing, especially if you're running advertisements, because if a video has like 1% click-through rate and it's an image or it's an image ad, then your video ad has like a 5% click-through rate. You're going to want to scrap the image and put the rest of the money into video ads. It'd be like A/B testing. So you test out different advertisements. Depending on which one does the most or does the best, you pick the top 3, and then you put all your money into that. And if the ad isn't performing well, you might have to adjust the audience, budget, or ad creative. I'd say the majority of it would probably be due to the ad creative. As long as you have your targeted demographics correct, you are mad chillin' with the demographics side of it. So you can target those demographics, but then the issue would be the advertisement not resonating with that target audience. So I definitely recommend changing that. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. But for now, goodbye.